Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of tablets with the all-new Amazon Fire HD10. Buckle up, because this device is about to blow your mind with its incredible features and unbeatable value. Are you ready to discover why this tablet is taking the market by storm? Let's jump right in. Picture this. You're lounging on your couch, craving some entertainment after a long day. The Amazon Fire HD10 is your perfect companion for relaxation. With its stunning 10.1-inch Full HD display, you'll be immersed in vibrant colors and crisp details that bring your favorite shows and movies to life. Whether you're binge-watching the latest series or catching up on YouTube videos, this tablet delivers an eye-popping visual experience that'll keep you glued to the screen. But wait, there's more. The Fire HD10 isn't just a pretty face. Under the hood, it's packing some serious power. The octa-core processor and 3 GB of RAM work together to deliver smooth performance. Whether you're multitasking between apps, browsing the web, or playing graphics-intensive games, say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless productivity and entertainment. Now, let's talk storage. With 32 GB of internal memory, you've got plenty of space to store your favorite apps, photos, and videos. And if that's not enough, you can easily expand your storage with a micro-SD card. It's like having a mini computer right in your hands. One of the things I love about the Fire HD10 is its sleek design. Available in black, lilac, and ocean, there's a color to match every style. The tablet feels great in your hands, with a build quality that screams premium without the hefty price tag. Speaking of price, let's address the elephant in the room. The Amazon Fire HD10 offers incredible value for money when you compare its features and performance to other tablets in this price range. It's clear that Amazon has hit a home run. You're getting a high-quality device that punches well above its weight class. But don't just take my word for it. Users are raving about the Fire HD10's battery life, which can last up to 12 hours on a single charge. That means you can binge-watch your favorite shows, read ebooks, or browse social media all day without worrying about running out of juice. And let's not forget about Alexa integration. With hands-free Alexa, you can control your smart home devices, set reminders, or even ask for the weather forecast, all with just your voice. It's like having a personal assistant right at your fingertips. In conclusion, the Amazon Fire HD10 is a game-changer in the tablet market. With its stunning display, powerful performance, and unbeatable value, it's the perfect device for anyone looking to relax, stay entertained, or boost their productivity. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or just someone who loves tech, this tablet has something for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Get your hands on the Amazon Fire HD10 and experience the future of tablet computing today.